Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy working on tutorial number 15. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video. So let's get started. We click File, New, Part, Tutorial 15, click OK, Insert, Body, right click, Properties, rename it, Tutorial 15, insert another body, hide the planes, define this body, click on Sketcher, click on the plane, and now we have to design the exterior of our construction. So we're gonna start by constructing the first circle that is in the middle of our axis system and the one that is upper. And also we can design the one that is uniting them. Now we're gonna select these two circles, we're gonna select this option, we're gonna select tangency. We're gonna do the same thing in this area and select tangency. Now we're gonna constrain the circles, this circle, this one, and this one. This one has a radius of 147. Okay, perfectly. This one has a radius of 27. And this one has a radius of 52. Perfect. Now we're going to construct a line that is a guidance line exactly in the middle of the axis. We're going to make it pointed and we're going to delete what we don't need. So this area, and this area. We need to constrain the point of this circle on the horizontal line and put the distance that it will be 97. And now we're gonna delete the rest of the design that we don't need, that is this one. Now by holding Ctrl we're gonna select our construction, we're gonna select mirror, and we're gonna select either the line or the vertical axis. So this is our first construction. Now we're gonna exit the workbench. We're gonna insert another body. In this body we're gonna define, we're gonna click on pad, we're gonna select the sketcher, we're gonna give it 10 mm thickness. We're gonna go on body 4, we're gonna define this body. We're gonna copy the sketcher from here to this body. We're gonna go inside of the sketcher, we're gonna click this option to not be able to select the background constructions, and we're gonna click on every one of our construction, and we're gonna make it pointed as the line that we did on the vertical axis in order for us to have a guidance. Now we have to construct the holes inside the 3D that we designed earlier. So we're gonna start by using some guidance lines. Actually only one we need. We're gonna construct one like this, we're gonna make it pointed. We're gonna select an angle between this line and the horizontal line, we're gonna put it at 45 degrees. We're gonna construct a circle on the horizontal line, like this. We're gonna construct another circle on the line that we designed earlier at 45 degrees. And we're gonna construct another circle on the line that we did on the previous construction, that is the vertical line. We're gonna select the diameter of the holes. They should have all the same diameter, so the diameter of the holes is 12. So we're gonna select 12 on each one of them. Perfectly. Now we need to select the distance from the middle of the circle, for this one at least, to the vertical axis, and we're gonna put a distance for it. Either we can try doing it like this, or we can try, actually let's do it differently. let's try constructing a circle that will be a guidance circle also. We will do it like this for the moment. We're gonna select it pointed, and we're gonna select by holding Control the middle of the circle, the point itself and the circle. We're gonna click this and we're gonna click coincidence. We're gonna do the same with all 3 circles. I'll do it like this, and we're gonna do it like this. As you can see, when we are moving the guidance circle, all the circles are moved also. So now we just need to constrain this circle, and we will have the measurement for all 3 circles. And we're gonna put a diameter or radius of 40 for this. And as you can see, everything moved. If we want to change the hole's length or whatever, we just change the radius from this circle or the diameter of them, and we are changing them. Now we're gonna select all the circles, and we're gonna use mirror, and we're gonna select again the axis that we constructed. So we are doing all the circles in this area. Now we're gonna construct in the middle of our axis system the second construction hole. This one has a diameter of 35, so we're gonna choose diameter of 35. And also we need to construct the hole that is upward. We're gonna do that by constructing 2 circles, one here and one here. We're gonna construct 2 lines. Actually we're gonna do only one, and we're gonna mirror again. We're gonna select the line and the circle. We're gonna select this option and tangent C. Here we already have tangent C because it's represented by 2 parallel lines, green parallel lines, these ones. We're gonna select the line, we're gonna go to this option, we're gonna put it to be vertical in order to align it. Afterwards, we're gonna delete what we don't need, that is the lateral circles and these ones. So we already have this design. We're gonna select by holding Control all the elements, click mirror, select the line that we construct as a guidance, and we have this design. Now we're gonna constrain between the point of the circles, that is this one and this one, and we're gonna choose the distance that we need, and this distance will be 47, and it will look like this. And now we're gonna choose the distance between this circle and the horizontal line, that it will be this distance, that is 97. Okay, perfectly. And now we need to choose the dimension of the circles, and this dimension, it will have a radius of 30. Perfectly. So these are our holes for this design. As you can see, they are constructed, they look nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna construct, there is an additional construction here in the middle of this hole, so we're gonna do it. So we're gonna insert another body, we're gonna copy this sketcher, paste it here, we're gonna hide it, this one for the moment. We're gonna go inside this other one. This other elements that we did earlier, you can delete, there is no problem, because this design is in the middle, so we don't really need all these other additional designs. So you can delete all of them, and the circle in the middle, we're gonna put a diameter of 52, and it will look like this. Now we're gonna exit, and now we need to construct the 3D for this one. So the define should be on the body for where we work. We're gonna select this body, we're gonna select this sketcher, and we're gonna put it 12 millimeters on this direction, because we need 10 millimeters plus 2 millimeters the thickness, or let's try 15 to be much better visually. Now we're gonna select more, and this distance from here we're gonna put 5 also. We're gonna select OK, because we're gonna have on 2 directions. Now we're gonna go to tutorial 15, we're gonna define it. We're gonna add this body 3, by choosing this option. We're gonna define again tutorial 15. We're gonna choose the next 3D that we want to add, that it's body number 5 that we already constructed. As you can see, it will look like this. And now inside body 4 we have the sketch for the holes. So we're gonna define body 4, we're gonna select pad, we're gonna select the sketch, and we're gonna select, we need to check because I'm not sure what exactly is his problem on this area. Probably we have to resolve a point that it's somewhere around here that we don't really see because we cannot close it, and we need to check which one is it that we cannot close it, but we can go inside and actually delete the elements that we don't need. Probably this line also, this circle, this circle. Let's try to start deleting them because we need to be able to construct the 3Ds for this. So I think it's this one from here. So yes, we're gonna go and resolve actually this one from here, and we're gonna delete it. And let's see the result. Let's hope that that one feature definition error. Okay, there is no problem. Let's try with pocket and see if it works. Define pocket. Sorry. So it actually doesn't work. The sketch is itself intersecting. So yes, we have a problem that will be resolved right now. So this is not the problem. This is not the problem. This is not. Probably, yes, we have two circles here. When I mirrored the circles, I selected by mistake this circle also. So when he did the mirror, actually we constructed two circles here in the same spot. So now we should be okay for this action. So we define again body 4. We select pad and we select the sketcher. Select more. We select 15 here and 17 here. In order for us to have a bigger distance than our 3D, because we have to remove plastic now. Actually material, not plastic. We define tutorial 15. We go to body 4, we click this option and we click remove. And we select OK. And this is our construction, as you can see. This construction, it may feel a little tricky at first sight, but it will seem very easy after you finish it. So now we just choose an isometric view for it, for example like this maybe. We select the part, we put a nice color for it, and this is our design for today. Thank you very much guys, because you stayed with me today and we learned together how to design this 3D. I hope you understood. If you do not understood, you can leave me a comment in the comment section. So we see each other next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.